what do you believe कि आपको ये role किस वजह से मिला? X factor. I also want you to address एक question जो काफी बच्चे मुझे पूछते हैं कि सर NIBM is all about banking, management and all that. By the way, is it true कि NIBM पुणे के campus पे it's only finance? I understand that. There are no sales roles. Hi guys, I've got Riya. She got placed into the investment banking role, by the way, and she'll talk a lot about it. So she's from NIBM Pune, by the way, a graduate from Symbiosis Arts and Commerce, Pune. How does it feel? You got into the core investment banking wala profile. Can you give us a little idea about it? क्या profile है, कैसा है?
Yes, sir. It feels really very good, like because SBI Capital Markets is the biggest investment bank in the country, and so the role is my role is project advisory and structured finance. So basically SBI Capital
Project advisory and structured finance.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Yeah, so basically that company, various sectors of the country, it provides them advices and like strategic finance advice regarding that.
Okay, okay. So can you give us a little bit of your background, like what you have done and what do you believe कि आपको ये role किस वजह से मिला? X factor.
Yeah, as you said that I completed my BCom honors from Symbiosis. So my BCom honors was in the specialization of banking and finance. So after that I thought, I got interested into banking and finance. So NIBM is a niche course like for banking and finance specialization.
Right, right.
So I decided to appear for CMAT and then I got into NIBM.
What's your percentile in CMAT?
92 percentile.
So at 92 percentile, she's getting a very good stipend, by the way. We will not disclose that, but we are disclosing the name of the company. Have you always been dreamt of like कि मुझे चलना है IB में या फिर मुझे core roles में चलना है? If you were cool about like whatever I get in finance, I'm okay with that. What was your dream before joining NIBM?
Yeah, definitely. IB was one of my dreams. Like,
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, but then again, NIBM is offering good banking and finance. This attracted me towards NIBM, and then I went with the flow.
I also want you to address एक question जो काफी बच्चे मुझे पूछते हैं कि सर NIBM is all about banking, management and all that. By the way, she is also placed commer. She's from placement committee. So थोड़ा हमें उसके बारे में भी बता देना कि is it really that only banks come? Like how is it?
No, we have like in our placement last year we had NBFCs coming. Then there were some banks and also other financial companies, and also I mentioned that SBI Cap. These were the things, and the roles were offered were treasury, wealth management, then policy compliance, internal audit, and then credit and risk.
How many people have been picked up by SBI Capital?
SBI Capital 2.
2 people.
Yeah.
So again, I'll give you a little idea about SBI Capital is the first and the foremost investment bank in the country. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये पता नहीं है because हम always Goldman, Morgan, Deutsche के बारे में बात करते हैं. Definitely it is not that huge to be very honest, but SBI Capital is the official IB setup in the country. Secondly, इसके बाद फिर कोटक आया, इसके बाद फिर तुम्हारा ICICI Prudentials वगैरह they started coming into, but SBI Capital is a pioneer of investment banking profiles, and it also turns up on the campuses of Blackie, FMS, जितने भी top tier 1 के जो B schools है वहाँ पे ये roles दिए जाते हैं. Again, salary ऊपर नीचे होता है, but role is what matters at the end of the day. तो ऐसा भी ये देखो यार, मतलब it's not only banking, यहाँ पे काफी सारे roles आते हैं और core roles आते हैं. Can I ask you one more question if you don't mind? Is it true कि NIBM पुणे के campus पे it's only finance? I understand that. There are no sales roles.
Yeah, sir. It has been like history of the college.
So I also spoke to the head of the placements committee, and even sir said that there are no sales role. मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत बड़ी बात है because इंडिया में अगर एक फाइनेंस ओरिएंटेड अगर आप बी स्कूल देखते हो, सो आई थिंक ये इकलौता ऐसा बी स्कूल होगा मेरे ख्याल से जहाँ तक मेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि यार जहाँ पे सेल्स के रूल्स नहीं आते हैं. बट गेटिंग इनटू IB इज वेरी गुड. हाउ डज इट फील लाइक व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट टारगेट कि सर अभी IB तो फोड़ दिया, अभी इसके आगे क्या करना चाहोगे?
प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर.
PPO.
या
पक्का प्लेस कॉमर हो तुम. कूल है यार. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच रिया. अच्छा जाते जाते ना एक छोटा सा एडवाइस देते जा बच्चों को, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे भी CMAT के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. टेंशन में मेरा 90 आएगा तो क्या होगा, 95 आएगा तो क्या होगा, 92. तूने 92 पे यार फोड़ा IB. 2 सेंटेंसेस बच्चों के लिए.
Watch your YouTube channel.
अरे थैंक यू. To watch my YouTube channel. That's number 2.
Number 2 is nothing like just hard work is very important. Work hard and it's everything.
And be good with your concepts.
Yeah, dedication is important.
Dedication is important. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so very much, Riya.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for this time.